Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating a look using all ShopMissA products and sharing my honest first impressions on each one. First, I'm filling in my brows with the Slim Brow Pencil, which, like all of their products, retails for just $1. This is available in 5 shades, and I'm using the shade Medium Brown. This one has an ultra fine tip that allows you to draw the thinnest hair strokes to make your brows appear natural and full. Next, I'm setting my brows with the Hold My Brow Clear Longwear Brow Soap. To apply it, I bent the spoolie end of the brow pencil and brushed my brow hairs upwards. I love how compact this is, and I can definitely see myself using it to block out my brows because of how well it flattens and holds the brows in place. Now I'm moving on to face products and applying the Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. I absolutely loved this. It's so glowy and pretty on the skin without being glittery or drying. If you like a dewy complexion, I definitely recommend this. Next, we have the Drop Liquid Foundation. This is available in 15 shades, and I'm using the shade Porcelain. This one was actually very surprising. It blends easily, looks great on the skin, and leaves a natural satin finish. The color match was on point for me. I didn't have any dry flakiness or oxidization either. They really should consider adding more shades to their range. For concealer, we have the Liquid Concealer in shade Porcelain. This particular product costs $1.55 because it's a part of their feel-good program called Paw Paw. Part of the proceeds from the sale of each of the special edition products, a part of Paw Paw, go towards partnered charity organizations in a stand against animal testing and abuse. To set the concealer, I'm using the Perfect Setting Powder. This is available in 4 shades, and I'm using the shade Matte Translucent. I'm very excited to test this out some more because the skin underneath my eyes looked pretty good and didn't have any noticeable creasing. Another charity edition product is the A+ Eye Primer, which helps to support children's education. This is available in 3 versions: tacky for glitter, shimmer, and soft. I'm using the soft base, which is a sheer nude color. It actually reminds me of the Juvia's Place Eye Primer because it's quite liquidy. It has a nice coverage to it, and I like that I can use it to carve out my brows, as I do with my favorite P. Louise base. Now I'm testing out the Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner. This comes in 7 shades. First, I'm using the yellow shade called YOLO to draw on some graphic eyeliner. Then I'm using the black shade called Edgy to add a little wing to the inner corner of my eye. I must admit, these performed pretty poorly in comparison to the other products. The brush wasn't precise enough for my liking, and the liner was streaky and flaky. After that, I'm trying out the Neon Buttercream Gel Liner in Shadow. They have a bunch of different versions of this, from neons to shimmers and metallics. I'm using the yellow shade Disco from the Neon range. It has a good pigmentation, but looked a bit dry on the skin, and so I'll have to test this one out some more to get a better opinion of it. ShopMissA has so many lash styles, it was hard for me to choose a pair. Ultimately, I ended up with the 3D Foaming Style Sarah. This style is very comparable to the Ardell 811 lash, which is $7. Moving on to the lips, I'm applying the retractable lip liner. This is available in 9 shades, and I'm using the shade Silk. It has a good pigmentation to it, and I like that it's retractable. Finally, I'm trying out the Lip Pop Lip Gloss. This is available in 8 shades, and I'm using the clear shade called Superstar. It's 100% not sticky and great for when you want to add a glossy sheen to any lip look. And that completes this full face first impressions look using all ShopMissA products. I still can't believe everything was just $1. It all performed really well for being so incredibly affordable, and whilst also using FDA approved, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients. Let me know if you like ShopMissA in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.